over for the day. So, saan tayo? Green. Green. Eto tayo ngayon. Dito tayo. Hanggang dito.
Saan ba yung sign? Saan ba yung sign? May mountain lion dito ah.
Hey guys! Hinihingal ako. Hi! Ang layo. Ang layo pa ng guys nung hata sign. Pasaway itong anak mo. Akala niya 20 years old lang ako. It's so steep. Nakakatakot. Scary. So pang buwis buhay to guys. Look at this. Look at this guys. Parang ayoko na guys. Parang buwis buhay talaga to guys. Ito yung goal namin guys. Pero ang hirap niya abutin. Dito lang sana ang road. Hindi yung steep. Yun na siya. Malapit na siya guys. Yay! We're near. Ayan na siya guys. Ito na siya. Oh, malapit na. H-A-T-T-A. We made it. Stop. Yay! Go with the H.
Stop! Stop!
Stop yan! We're going down, guys. Bye, Hata Peak. Till the next time. Maraming bato-bato. Yan na naman siya, yung mahirap akyatin. You can see the car na park over there. Finally down, guys. See, we're down. Till our next hiking trip. Bye, Hata. Yes! So near yet so far. Isang video. Ha? Tama ba hinihingal?